What I think I'm gonna do after that, alright, I think I found what I want to do with these shorts. Okay, I think this is looking way better. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a little bit of an upcycling project. So this week my favorite pair of jeans that I wear all the time, in fact my only pair of jeans, which I keep telling myself I'm going to make a pair but I never do, tore. So I bent down to do some things at work and yeah, ripped a giant hole in the leg. Thankfully, conveniently at like medium mini shorts length. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make them into shorts. I'm gonna take big old scissors and cut across where the hole is. What I think I'm gonna do after that is maybe embroider the back pockets a little bit. I've been seeing all these embroidered pants on Instagram and I just think they're super cute. So because I have way too much embroidery floss, I might as well give it a go and see what we can do. Right, so first step is to try them on and just to make sure again that the point at which that hole is actually the length that I want to make them, and then kind of mark that on the other side. Okay, so this is the jeans on and the hole is right there. So that makes the length of the shorts sort of mid-thigh and I feel like that's a comfortable length. I won't be able to hem them, although I may not need to. So what I'm going to do first is just take it step by step. So I'm going to cut off the legs and try them back on and just see how I feel about it once I've cut them off, whether I want to try and hem it or do a bit of a decorative stripy situation to cover up the wear and tear, like with another fabric, or I don't know, I'm just going to play around with it a little bit because ultimately the shorts are going to be like roughly this length and I think that's probably nice and flattering. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is the back and I'm wondering if I should just continue to rip to the other seam, cut it and then continue to rip because I want this kind of like nice frayed edge that it has because it tore. If it doesn't work, well, I guess we let that lesson. I'm sort of terrified doing this, but I figure like they're already ruined, so it doesn't totally matter if it's slightly off. I will even it up. That's just annoying, but okay. Now just because it's a little bit uneven, what I'm going to do is align the sides and just okay. I thought they were going to be like micro shorts because of how much it was traveling, but it's actually okay. They're just not even at all. So that's fun. Okay, so the shorter one is actually not too bad. I'm just going to cut it this time. I really don't trust the whole tearing thing. I probably shouldn't have even done it in the first place. Yeah, okay, we're going to cut it this time to even it up. Okay, I think this is looking way better. Obviously I have to even it up a little bit. It's still not exactly even, but honestly my thighs eat most shorts anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I just really like that they fit really well around the waist and stuff. Yeah, now I need to figure out what kind of decoration and spice we're gonna add. So I kind of wanted to either embroider like this bit, but I just don't really know what to do. Like maybe I should just leave it and just let less be more, you know? I don't know, indecision. All right, I think I found what I want to do with these shorts. So a long time ago, I made a crochet, or tried to make a bunch of granny squares with sunflower or sunburst crochet pattern, and I ended up making the entire thing, and then I didn't really like how it looked, so I broke it down into its little squares again, intending to use it for other projects and for maybe a blanket or something like that. But this is kind of perfect, so let me just show you what I think I'm going to do. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is put one of these sunflower sunburst square things onto the pockets. So I'm going to use some white, which is the same white as in the background of this, by eye crochet maybe like a round of treble crochets or double crochets around the edge, and then an extra bit here and a little bit of a triangular bit here. And then I'm probably going to sew it down or hand stitch it down, but I think that'll secure it really nicely. I'm going to go ahead now and just sort of fill out the rest of this just to make sure it kind of looks right on the pocket, like it was meant to be there, not just a square. Okay, there we have the first pocket. I went ahead and added 2 rows on each side, one along the top, and then a couple along here with just decreases or shorter stitches along the sides, so it's kind of more triangular. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this for the other pocket, and then I'll show you the reveal.